This is the Holiday Coral QuickStrip Pixel Installation Jig. This jig allows you to install pixel nodes, either square or bullet, into PixNode strip. Now, the jig itself is 10 inches and it features 2 holes on the bottom with included screws. That allows you to mount this to a table or a workbench, some other surface. If you do need to string more of these together, you can put multiple units if you have multiple people installing them, that type of thing. Now, these work with any standard strip, so Holiday Coral Classic PixNode strip or Holiday Coral Extreme strip, or if you have original crispy or HD style strips with thicker uses, they all will work with this product. Now, installation of the nodes is easy. Just slide your strip into the jig and simply just pop them in. And that's all there is to it. You slide them down and continue installing.